So is he the only MLA who was filed in elections?
Yeah, he is the only one. He has been proposed by Marquis N. Mara and Shri A.T. Mandal. So he is the only one who has filed.
So when's the last date for filing?
Today.
Today 4 o'clock.
Yes, tomorrow is withdrawal. And election will be on Friday.
So till now opposition hasn't filed.
They have not filed.
So in that case, sir, since only one candidate has filed, I believe, then the announcement will be made today or
No, on Friday. In the house.
So will there be a need for an election since there's no one to oppose, to contest election apart from him?
So in any way, I mean, since it is, so he's been elected unanimously. So only the announcement will be made by Honorable Speaker on the 12th. inside the house.
Friday, because there is a, as per the schedule, tomorrow is the day for withdrawal. In case somebody needs to withdraw, then we may have to have again the announcement for make a schedule for re-election of Deputy Speaker. But so far we have received only one proposal and one nomination. That's all. Thank you.